People?
They're just made like that.
My god, there's a bird in the ceiling.
Matrix, I know there is a whole bird in your ceiling, but you need to concentrate in the
Onyx!
game. You're a gamer.
Onyx! Come get the bird, Onyx! We're losing because of you, bro. Because you planted a bird
I
in
think
my
it's
house.
because of the bird in your ceiling. Notice how the bird only appeared when you started to make fun of my name. Is it
Oh
a
my
crow?
God.
Is it a crow? It would be hilarious
It
if it
is
were a
not.
crow.
It's not as big as a crow. It's probably
Okay.
like a starling or
Is
something.
it
but
a
still.
blackbird? Is it a blackbird at least?
I can't see the bird. It's in the
It's
ceiling.
probably a blackbird. It's not a crow, but it is a crowing spirit.
It is hypothetically a crow.
Yeah. For the sake of the joke, it is a crow.
You need to record this. Where's your phone?
Do I? Are we losing?
We're gonna lose. But there's a bird in my ceiling.
There's a bird.
If I die, we lose. Oh my god.
Well, we lost.
Crow, do you see the bird?
Wait. Give me a sec.
Crow. Oh my god. Look, because I'm playing on my
Yeah.
PlayStation right
I
here.
see it. Where is it?
It's in this ceiling light.
Like it above it.
It's like, yeah, it's like in the ceiling.
What?
Where did
That's
it
me.
go?
That's me living in your walls.
Look, you see it?
Yes. Yeah, I see it.
Oh my god.
There's a whole bird in my ceiling. Oh, holy shit, I'm saving this. I'm saving this.
I need a video.
Send
of
me
this.
that video too.
I'm going to. I will.